I've got a busy week ahead and I need Copilot's help. I'm going to log on to Microsoft Edge and I've signed in with my Microsoft account. Because I've got Copilot 365, I've got access to a toggle here for work. Copilot can now access all my Teams communications and files and Outlook and all my emails. So I've put my prompt in here, which is to list my meetings this week in a table format. I want the date in the first column, the meeting title and who it's with in the second column, and in the third column, make a bullet point list of any tasks that I should prepare in advance. So Copilot will scan through any tasks I have identified and any meetings that I've got listed in my calendar, and it's creating the table format for me. Now I like that I can ask subsequent questions of this list, but also note if you've got more than 10 or 15 meetings, it may not list them all, in which case you might just have to do the first couple of days. And of course, it's only based on the information available. There might be further updates and tasks related to these meetings that it may not have access to yet. I'm going to copy this and paste it into a Word document. Now I can keep it to refer to later, or I might even print it out, which is old school but sort of satisfying, and I can tick stuff off as I've done it.